10 side hustles for college students. College can be quite expensive, and we aren't just talking about the tuition fees. Surviving in college can be quite heavy on the financial side. You constantly have to pay for fare rides around the city, textbooks, and even nights out. Most importantly, you have to constantly spend money on food. Even though your parents might be there to help some of the time, there comes a time when you want to have money of your own, and this is where having a side hustle comes in. Side hustles not only provide you with a little extra cash to survive in college, most of these jobs also offer you an opportunity to learn new skills that can be added to your CV. Also, most of these jobs can be managed with your schoolwork, which means they won't cause a major dent to your academics. Ready to learn about these interesting side hustles? Let's get right into the action. If you want to learn everything there is to know about making money and finance, subscribe to our channel as we will be posting lots of awesome and informative videos on this topic. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like as well, as this really helps with the algorithm. Let's get started. Number 10. Tutoring. Tutoring is one of the easiest ways you can make money as a college student. Do you have a passion for teaching? Do you consider yourself an expert on a certain subject? Or are you willing to teach your native language to foreigners? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this side hustle is for you. Interestingly, most colleges have information on becoming a tutor on campus, and all you have to do is ask for this information. Also, your grades have a major role to play in this. Most colleges require a certain grade for interested students, while other colleges might even require you to get a teacher recommendation. However, if you aren't qualified to tutor on campus, you can join a freelancing platform where you can advertise your teaching skills. Craigslist is also a great place to advertise your skills. If you live far away from school, you can put up flyers in your area, send them to local high schools or elementary schools, and before you know it, your cell phone will be on fire due to calls from clients. Number 9. Become a campus brand ambassador. There are several brands looking to work with college students. Most of these brands want college students as ambassadors because they believe these students are better equipped at marketing their product in an academic environment. Most times you don't even have to work as a brand ambassador. You might just be required to wear a brand's clothes, patronize their services, or even just organize an event in their name. And of course, you will be paid for this. Most times, brands get in touch with colleges who in turn post this information on the career board. All you have to do is go to the board regularly and apply immediately. Also, when you visit a store or the mall, you can always ask if they have any college-related opportunities. You just might get lucky. Number 8. Use your car to make money. If you're one of the college students who were lucky enough to bring a car to school, then you can definitely make money from owning one. Since the growth of Uber and Lyft, most people have forgotten about the great business that is running a traditional taxi cab. With your car, you can pick up students for events across town or conferences across state lines. And if you aren't one to take alcohol or go late-night partying, then you can also use your car to pick up your peers from bars and parties, especially the ones who can't transport themselves back home. There's also another way to make money for college students, even if you left your car at home. You can rent out your car for a designated period through sites like justshareit.com. If your car is the expensive kind, then you know you will be earning more from it than someone with a cheaper car. How much you earn is also dependent on the amount of time a customer rents the car for. Number 7. Sell your stuff online. Gone are the days when anything can be completely useless. These days, if you think something you own is completely worthless, there is someone somewhere who thinks the exact opposite. In today's world, one man's trash is definitely another man's treasure. Do you have old books, CDs, clothes, or even toys that are no longer in production? Then go on eBay or Amazon to post these things. You'd be surprised at the number of people willing to pay for items you don't value anymore. If you're a creative person who is good at creating artful items like paintings, then you can also sell your wares on various websites. And a great example is Etsy. Etsy might be difficult to earn from at first, but with consistency, this will become a profitable venture in no time. Number 6. Make money from your social media. Social media has gone from just being a place to meet new friends to being a platform where you can make millions of dollars. Most people are using social media platforms today, and this has naturally caused brands to see social media marketing as one of the most important facets of digital marketing. So if you are popular on any social media platforms and have a huge following, you can make money from your social media fame. The first and easiest way to make money is to wait and be approached by brands who will pay you for every single post you make about them. However, if these brands fail to reach out to you, you can always make money without them. Think of a skill or a hobby and turn it into an online consulting business. You can even start an online tutoring program for freshmen on campus. And with your social media fame, you will have a number of students in no time. You don't have to focus on any college subject or course. You can teach them how to manage their time, how to hack living on campus, or even how to maintain a romantic relationship. Number 5, fill out online surveys. If you aren't the sort of person interested in tutoring or selling your stuff online, you can still make money online by becoming an online survey taker. There are thousands of brands, researchers, and companies in dire need of people for short surveys. Most times, you don't even have to leave your dorm room, as all you will be required to do is fill out a questionnaire. This isn't a well-paying side hustle, but the money will definitely become a lot when you complete a huge number of surveys. Number 4, odd jobs. This is perhaps one of the most popular choices for college students. You can sign up on websites like TaskRabbit or Fiverr, where you will find people willing to pay you to complete quick tasks. This could be babysitting, walking their dogs, shoveling snow, car washing, pool cleaning, assistant for a day, home cleaning, or even making grocery runs. Agent Anything is a website targeted at helping college students find odd jobs. With this website, college students can find quick jobs with moving or cleaning companies. But if you want a job where you'd enjoy some level of autonomy, you can register on a site like Postmates.com to deliver food and items to residential apartments, offices, and even classes. According to comments on Reddit, this website sometimes pays as high as $25 per hour. Number 3, become a tour guide. This is a great side hustle for students who study in a major city, a historical location, or just a beautiful city that attracts tourists. Aside from residing in this city, it is a huge plus if you're very familiar with this city, know their language, history, and important tourist locations. If all these apply to you, then why aren't you giving tours as a side hustle? To make things even more interesting, you could take up a job as a docent for the local museum. The money might not be great, but you'll meet people from all around the world. Now, how wonderful is that? Number 2, become a translator. Can you speak more than one language? If yes, you could definitely take a job as a translator. If you live in a major tourist city, then this is a great opportunity for you. You can translate for local stores and museums. But if you are the shy type, you can also complete translation services online. All you have to do is register on freelancing websites and you're good to go. Number 1, freelance writing. This is another very popular side hustle option for college students. Do you have exceptional writing skills? If yes, you can use websites like Upwork and Fiverr to advertise your services. Most times, clients require that freelance writers help them write articles, blog posts, and short stories. Does this sound like something you can complete? Then create a profile on any of these platforms to get started. As you become better and land more clients, you can earn as much as $50 per hour. And there you have it. What do you think of these side hustles? Have you tried anyone in the past? Tell us about it in the comments section. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell as more informative videos are on the way.